what I'm wondering now is a little bit about like how you manage CPU costs and cloud costs, and if being a data engineer or knowing a bit more about data engineering will help along those lines. Do you feel like that is something that where it will touch on and you will say, oh yeah, I can potentially save the company money if I know more about this?
Yes, that's a great question. Definitely. And in a couple of ways. Just understanding scale. Like, I mean, of course, if you're a data scientist, you're good with numbers. You're going to figure out, you have a large volume of data. You're going to know, if you're paying X per CPU hour, you can ballpark and know, what it's going to cost you. But what data engineering helps you with is like, with data engineering, you forget to shut down the cluster, and a couple days later you have hundreds of dollars in charges. So from a data engineer perspective, like I've done that, like I've burned myself like that. So part of it is just learning the sort of the hard lessons, like to avoid cost. But also, if you're familiar with the capabilities of a particular cloud, like AWS has spot instances where you can bid like a lower price for a virtual machine, and AWS will let you have that machine, but they may pull it back at any time. So if you have a problem or where you have a solution that's resistant to that kind of failure, then using like spot instances on AWS or preemptible virtual machines on GCP, it could save you a lot of money. So that's where the data engineering can help. And also knowing tools like Cloud Dataflow. It's an Apache Beam runner. So if you want to write like a streaming or even batch processing, and you want to use like Java or Python, and you want to do it at scale, and you don't want to mess around with spinning up your own servers, then Cloud Dataflow is a great option. So yeah, knowing the tools, knowing sort of the features in the specific clouds that will help you save money. I think those are two key things that you can get from data engineering.
Wow, that's a great answer.